Hey campers and RVers, I just stopped at this rest area to make a sandwich and let the pup go potty. So I'm making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, not that exciting. I noticed when I departed my last place that the bumper is unfortunately screwed up. So some of these places that you go to, they have very strange setup going in the driveway. You know, it might be kind of steep and over, and the bumper got screwed up, so that's something I need to fix. And I've already replaced the bumper one other time for the same problem, and I'm not going to do that anymore because that's an expense that I don't need. Anyways, kind of a bummer that happened, but you just, you know, when you turn into a driveway, you just never know how the trailer's going to react because it sits so low, and then to have the bumper so low, it just kind of drags and it bent up the bumper. So I'll show you how that looks in a minute. It's getting extremely warm out here, which is great because I've been so cold lately. So I'm not going to complain about that. But I'm going to eat my sandwich and check back with you guys later. So here's the bumper. And you can see that it got bent when I went through a particular area. I don't even know where it happened. I think in one of the RV parks that I pulled into, but it's completely bent, which is a total bummer. So I've already replaced it once, like I said. I'm not replacing it a second time. I'm going to see if we either remove it or have another one installed. I mean, either remove it or fix it. I don't even use the bike rack anymore because it's too heavy for my bikes, or my bikes are too heavy to lift, and I don't ever have time to just ride my bike around, so I don't even use the bike rack really. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on. So here's a quick update on the job that I did on those the holes that I had. Their solution's holding up pretty good. And I've got about over 2,000 miles there on that solution, so it's holding up pretty good. We'll just see how it shakes out going down the road. Hello campers and RVers. I met this very nice man that saw the bumper up, and he wanted to know what had happened. I explained to him, and he took a peek at everything and thought he might be able to fix it. And after further analysis, he decided that it was better to leave the bumper the way it was, but he was able to kind of bend it back into place the best that he could, just with his hands, bend it back, and it worked for me. I just don't want to buy another bumper. That would be the third one. It's just not worth it when you're pulling into various RV parks or gas stations, or different places that you need to pull into. You just never know what you're going to get into, and I don't want to keep spending money on new bumpers. So it looks better. It's not perfect, but it's better than what it was. There's a lot of really super nice people out there in this world. Amazing that what you hear on the news. There's definitely some nice people out there, very good-hearted people out there, and this man was so nice to do what he did for me and just kind of bent it back into place. And so I'm very happy with that. So, and the solution I came up with was cutting out those metal pieces and putting them under the wheel well for those holes that I had. been working out great. No more critters coming in the rig. Not that they would in the summertime, but that is just turned out to be very, very nice. And like I said, I put over 2,000 miles on the rig since I did that, and so far so good. Knock on wood. So that's pretty much all I have tonight. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on, and she's already ready for bed, so got to get ready for bed myself. And just wanted to say thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.